How to contact Yahoo Customer Service or Yahoo Help Center. So if you want to contact Yahoo Customer Service or Yahoo Help Center, whether you're having trouble with your account or need to reset your password or are facing any security issues, reaching out to Yahoo support team can help resolve your problems quickly. So let's walk through the steps to get you connected to the assistance you need. First, you'll want to open your browser and then type in help.yahoo.com. This will take you to the Yahoo's dedicated help website. So just search for help.yahoo.com, where you can access a variety of support options. The Yahoo Help Center is designed to guide users in resolving common issues, displaying a wealth of resources, and frequently asked questions that might address your concerns even before needing to contact customer service directly. So once you're here on the Yahoo's help page, look for and click on the Contact Us link. This link is typically conveniently placed, ensuring that you don't spend too much time searching. So just simply go with the Contact Us section right here, and then it will pop up a window, which is your next step in organizing your support request. In the pop-up that appears, you'll see a menu featuring choose the one that closely matches your problem you're experiencing. So you need to just simply go and choose a product. The options usually include the things like password, reset account recovery, or security issues. Selecting the right option ensures that your query is related to that problem. Now that you've selected your issue, you'll be prompted to enter your Yahoo mail ID. This step is crucial as it helps Yahoo support locate your account and understand how they can assist you best. So make sure that you type in your email ID accurately. The next action is to click on Get Started, which will be on the bottom, and it will submit a request, and you should be guided through any additional questions or instructions specific to your chosen issue. And there you have it. By following these clear steps, you'll confidently navigate to the Yahoo's Help Center to get the assistance you require. Remember, Yahoo's customer service is there to provide the help you deserve, so don't hesitate to contact them when you face any issues. Keep this process in mind, and you'll be prepared to handle any potential account issues in the future. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.